Hi there, I'm SM Mahmood and I'm recording this video to demo the app I have created for the submission of this one-day GitHub Copilot challenge. So before starting, I want to mention that I have used this Hubstaff tool to record the time that I needed to create this app. I started to, like obviously yesterday uh, on 19th January 2025, and it took me around 6 hours or yesterday and almost 2.5 hours now, and it's still continuing as you guys can see right now. So the app I have developed, I've already deployed that on reflectify.zions.com. So because I own zions.com myself, so I deployed that there. And if any of you interested in knowing the direct Firebase project or auth where I deployed it, then that's also available here. So if I go to hosting, this is the Firebase URL where it's deployed. So here. Now let's get started with the demo. I will use this. So you guys can create your account, own account, or just log in into one once you create it. I will just create a new account, sm@zions.com, and a strong password. So for that, I will use a strong password and register. Once you register, it will just log you in, and here you will be able to see the past entries you have added. You can add new entries by adding like things you were grateful. I was able to complete this challenge, and I will close the challenge. So add new. So instead of just keeping it to 3, I made these dynamic fields so you guys can add as much as possible. It was very fun activity, and so nothing that happened. It was quite fun activity learning, like I completed the challenge, and let's just add that as add entry. It will get added under the respective username. Obviously there are a lot of things I wanted to do, but because it's already 9+ hours, so I'm quite tired. So I will take my leave now, and I'm submitting it as it is for now, but we'll continue. Each and every data is linked to user, like respective user, and users can only see and edit. Like right now, there's no edit part, but only see their own data. And if I log back into again my account using the secure password, you will see that data there. So this is it. It's fully responsive because I used the Prime React components, and here's the project if you guys are interested. Obviously it's available on my GitHub account. If I go to GitHub, and or if I just go to GitHub in private, A1SN, so that's my username. Obviously you guys can search A1SN GitHub. The first one should be mine, and from there you guys can just go to my repository, and you should be able to find this. So I just completed it, and all the code is there. Android, iOS, because I used a capacitor with React, so I was able to get Android and iOS app out of it as well. I already submitted that for production release, which can show you guys here. But yeah, that will take a bit more time to get released onto uh, like App Store and Play Store, but it's there. I already submitted. It's in review. Hopefully, it will get approved by tomorrow, so you guys can check it as well. I will create a post on dev.to once it's get approved and released, so you guys will be able to um, get it for sure. That and just to show you guys the name and etc on the US part as well. All this completed, the distribution, the deployment, each and everything finished in like the 9 hours time I mentioned. So and I started from the very start. And to make it even more fair, I also screen recorded myself. So I will be uploading that on YouTube as well. So I will share that. Obviously, I will have to cut down the credentials part and etc. But the rest, I will share that. So each and everything completed in almost 9 hours or so. So here's it's in review. And again, here's the repository. So it's GitHub Copilot challenge. So this is the URL, and obviously I will be putting it in the, and if I show you guys the commits, as you guys can see, the last commit is almost 24 minutes ago, and I started 9 hours ago. So all completed in 9 hours. Okay, now I'm just finalizing the submission part, and I needed this video to complete that. So thanks a lot, and I'm looking forward to your guys' feedback. Please do provide your feedback. It will worth a lot for me, and it will make my day. Thanks a lot.